Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to customize the alarm ringtone in this device. For this, open the clock application, and from here you have to select the alarm that you want to change the alarm ringtone. Otherwise you want to customize the ringtone. So otherwise you can create a new ringtone also, new alarm also. So here I am going to select this one. Then here you can see the option ringtone symbol, you can see here. So tap on this one. Then here you can see some device ring sounds, you can see here, and from here you can easily select a default alarm ringtone. So here I select this one, then go back, you can see the ringtone is changed. If you want to customize or if you want to set a ringtone that you download to your device, again tap on this one, and here you can see the option add new. Tap on this one, then it will directly go to the file where you download the mp3 file, and from here you have to select the ringtone that you want to set as a particular alarm. So here I am going to select this one. Yeah, okay, so here I select this one. Now go back, now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can customize or change the alarm ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.